Melanson from MTT, which stands for
Marine Turbine Technologies.
Bit of a clue there in the name. So, Dina, this orange monstrosity behind us, what is it powered by?
This is the MTT Turbine Superbike. It's powered by a C18 power gas turbine engine.
It's a jet engine.
It's a jet engine.
You put a jet engine in a motorbike.
Why not?
What kind of power is this power turbine making?
Produces about 425 foot-pounds of torque, 320 horsepower. In terms of
320
horsepower.
425 foot-pounds.
That's correct.
Oh my God.
That's correct.
And is this manual? Do I have a clutch and a gear shifter, or how does that work?
There's a clutch that you pull in. The bike has 2 speeds, which it's funny, people will say,
Fast and faster.
Fast and oh my God, holy shit, kiss your ass goodbye. Yeah. Actually, we did have a customer that got a speeding ticket for doing 216 in a 45 or a 65.
So sorry, 216?
216, we've got a speeding
miles
ticket.
Per hour.
Correct, mounted at our office wall. It's hilarious. We offer a money-back guarantee if the bike doesn't go 250. Nobody's asked for their money back.
Now, the owner of all these insane toys is here with us now, Mark Brooks. Hello, mate.
Hi, sir. How you doing?
I'm good. So kind of run me through, obviously it's very, very different to, riding a standard motorcycle. For, someone who was jumping off a, I don't know, say a Suzuki or Honda sport bike onto one of these, so I've got to have a jet bike. What's the first thing that's just going to blow his mind?
Well, basically the starting procedure and the noise that it makes is what just totally flips everybody.
Right.
Very noisy, very unique compared to a regular motorcycle. Okay, Johnny, what we're doing is we're turning the key on, which is the computer.
Yep.
You'll see everything start to fire up. You got your screens.
Yep.
There's your percentage. At 50% N1, it'll be idling. So I'm going to hold the starter button, not the neutral button.
Yep.
The starter button on here until I get 50%.
Yep.
Okay?
She's vibrating. We're now live on a fully loaded rocket ship. I've got my visor down so you can hear me, because the noise is unbelievable, even here at a tickover. I am shitting my pants. All layers are there. All in. Liquid rush of power. It just builds. I can't even explain it. It's just like sitting on a jet-propelled sofa. And what's most impressive about this jet-powered MTT turbine bike, engine neutral, is that it feels good. It feels like a motorcycle. It doesn't feel like a bag of weird bits bolted together. Look at that little old one. Your bike's rubbish, mate. Get out of here. I'll turn you in a second. Pressure's building, 63%. Goodbye, R1. It just like shoves you forward, man. It just builds gradually and then boom! Ah! It's like nothing you've ever felt. It's just indescribable. Oh, God, it's just like surfing. This is power. This is what I'm talking about. You can forget flipping normal motorcycle engines, your little parallel fours and your V-twins. This is what I'm talking about, man. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I still can't get over the fact that I'm riding a jet-powered motorcycle. It's just stupid. Woohoo! I'm riding a jet! It's a bloody jet on 2 wheels! On the long long sweeping corners, you know, is actually pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't want to take it in any real tight stuff. It's weird. You kind of come off the throttle, you come back on, and there's this kind of force. Look at the rear view camera. Woo-hoo!
Well, I can honestly say that nothing will ever compare with that experience of riding an honest-to-God jet turbine bike on the road. I think I've died and gone to motorcycling heaven. That was awesome.